Hello everyone and welcome to another exciting episode of The Screenshot. Today we are in Mapane, Gwandas district, and sisendlini enhle angikwazi ukuthi liyayibona yini ekaSobhuku who was kind enough to let us come in sizokhuluma lama youth for episode yethu Screenshot. And like I always emphasize, Tina, here we are very passionate about youth and youth what talking about the issues that they face. So we travel all over Zimbabwe ukuthi sikhulumele lama youth ahlukeneyo, and today sise Mapane, Gwanda district, and sisendlini kaSobhuku uSilas Moyo. So joining me today ukuthi sixoxe ngendaba ye career guidance and the importance of having mentors in the area are two young people from the area, and ngizathi basitshela ukuthi bangobani bakhonto ifahla and then bese singena ku episode yethu. So bosisi lingasitshela ukuthi lingabobani. Ungaqala Dori.
Mina igama lami nguDoreen Sithole, ngihlala lapha eMaphane.
Siyathaba ukukubona lokuthi sijoyine namhla Doreen sike sixoxe.
Ayisiyabona.
Mina ibizo lami Kudzai Miyambi, ngihlala lapha eMaphane.
Alright Doreen Lokudzai, I know ukuthi first of all mfundi ngiyabonga for ukuthi njani ngithethe isikhathi senu ukuthi sibuye sixoxisana. So thank you very much, I appreciate it. And ngokuqala ngifuna sikhulume anti bese ngikhulumile nje ukuthi namhla sifuna ukukhuluma ngecareer guidance and ama mentors maybe ku area yethu nje lemsebenzi into ezinjalo esi-affect abantu abatsha abanjengani. So siqaleni nje ngokuxoxa ngemfundo esayitholayo. Aqala ngawe Doreen, tshela nje ukuthi wafuna ngapi from primary, waqeda waya ku high school, waqhubeka yini lokuthi kuyini wena ukufisa nje usesikole.
Mina i-primary yami ngayenzela eMatshetshe, eMacholongqo primary school. Then secondary yami ngayenzela eSouth Africa. Ekufundeni kwami angangibuthakazelela kakhulu, into engangiyifisa ukuthi ngibe yipilot. Unfortunately ngase ngitshonelwa ngumama, then ngase ngiphenduka back to eZimbabwe. So ukuthi ngiqhubeke kumbe ngithole something, so ngangasela ukuthi ngubani ozongincedisa ngapha eZimbabwe ngoba into zakhona zazingane zilokulo kumehluko nyana.
Alright.
Indakazi kwaJuke primary school. Ndikazobva ndakanodzidza kusecondary Mchade secondary school. Ndabva ikoko vaindidzidzisa vacho vakabva vabvawo, ndikabva ndatogwa naanti ndikanodzidza kuSt Hughes Mazinyo primary secondary school. Ndadzidza ikoko ini ndaida kuita doctor, ndo zvandaida ngoitawo because anti wangu naye aitofarira izvozvo, but nezvakangoitikawo pamberi andakabva ndatongorega, ndanyora form 4 ndikabva ndatongogara pasi nekuda kuti anti wacho anga asina mari yekundidzidzisa, plus naiyewo ndaiona kuti ari kudzidzisa vana vake, ndikabva ndatongozvigarira.
Alright. So lisasesikolo lapha bakhona yini abantu ababe lixoxa ngani ngokuthi lingaqeda isikolo lingayenzani? Anti Doreen ufuna ukuba ngudoctor, kuthi ufuna ukuba upilot because you wanted to be a doctor, and so bakhona yini esikole ababe sithi if ufuna ukuba ngudoctor Doreen kumele uyenze so la so lakhe ndokho sifuna udoctor uma umpilot, babe khona yini?
Yeah, babe khona especially ama-teacher. Babe besincedisa ukuthi nxa ufuna ukuba yipilot yenza ama-subject lawo ama-science lani. Then kwazokuthi vini umlungu kamama wayeyipilot.
Yikho lapho ipassion yavela khona.
So nguye umuntu wayengincedisa sibili kakhulu. Nguye umuntu wayengincedisa kakhulu. Even ukuthi ngistudy nalawo ma-subject wayengincedisa sibili nothi kancane. Then ekubhaleni kwami lapha umama watshona ibhala, then into leyana yangani ngoba yena wayetshonela ngapha eZimbabwe, bamthatha igula ngale bamletha ngapha eZimbabwe. So into leyana yangiphambanisa even kuma exams ami, yamphambanisa but not that bad ngoba ngase ngiqeda civil. Ukutshoneni kwakhe yikho ke kuphenduka kwami sengisiza ngapha eZimbabwe.
Alright. So iphupho laphelela ngaphi?
Iphupho lahle laphelela khonapho, but la manje ngiyakufisa sibili ukuthi Sengani sengihilile sibili from ilokhuzeni i-stress lesana sikamama. Okokuthi nxa ngingathola sibili uncedo ngakwanisa ukuthi ngiqhubekele phambili ngezifundo zami ngikwazi ukuthi lami ngifeza amaphupha.
Alright, ngiyakuzwa. So Khutsi, you wanted to be a doctor. Can you tell us the same question that I asked Doreen?
Alright. Inini vaindipa kuti ndiite shungu nekuda kuita dokta. Pana medhemu vamwe vaindidzidzisa vaiwirirana natete vangu vachidzidzisa muBulawayo, vakatransfer vachivazodzidzisa kumusha. Saka vaiwirirana nani natete vangu, saka ndo vakauya vakandidzidzisa. Chero ari maweekend ndaitoenda kumba kwavo vonondidzidzisa pamusoro pekuda kuita chidokta, vachindidzidzisa makweseni. Chero anti vangu vakauya vaisvikawo pamaholiday vondidzidzisawo, neno ndichitobata zvimwe. But pakazongoramba mama vangu nababa vangu ando pakazongobvawo zvangonyamarawo.
Alright. So ladies, like lanjela lathi Kharesi belisiya esikolo. Lifuna kuyafundani Kharesi lapho. Kuyinokwenzakala emaphani.
Kade sesikolo besiyalungiselela something kule party ezoba khona ngeThursday.
Ngapha primary school.
Primary.
Primary. Yipi primary khona la?
Maphani
Primary school.
Then the secondary.
Alright. So in terms of job opportunities lapha emaphani, akhona yini special akhangelele abantu abatsha plus angisho into zokuthi like into sibili abantu abazifundeleyo abazihambele esikolo kuyatholakala yini
lapha emaphani? Hayi lapha emaphani akula.
So abantu manje besebenza lapha babesenzani?
Nxa besebenza khona la
nxa umuntu ethi ngithola umsebenzi lethe
ngaphandle
sithi hayi ngithola umsebenzi
emaphani. Alright, ngaphandle singathi teaching.
Kule teaching
then the clinic, but hayi clinic ku another village. Lapha emaphani teaching kuphela.
Alright. That's the only thing yabe khona. Into zezandla ke abantu bayathunga bayalima, especially ama youth lijala ukwenzani la nxa uhleze ngapha kuyini esingathi umuntu yabe kwenza.
Ngaphandle kokuthi uzilimele izilimo zakho umbhida ivele ama-veg uhamba uzithengisela nje. Akule even ukuzodela impahla zakho uhambe nje uzithengisela into ezincancane.
So kathi Sikhuthi wena uyenzani?
Kathi sakula.
Akula. So uyabamba here and there. So ukuthi sithi umuntu vele ama job opportunities singathi mancane la.
Mancane.
Ngibona ngani kuyini okwenzakalayo because in terms of singathi i-population yethu ingana lapha abantu baningi
emaphani kuphela.
Even surrounding.
Alright, abantu baningi.
So kukhona esingakwenza.
So kudependa but hayi abantu baningi sibili kukhona sibili nxa okungayenzakala. Nxa singathola kumbe singathi even nxa nje singathola nje kumbe o sponsor or anything basenzele something like okwama youth nje okuyi bese singathi into enjani
ama youth center
okuyi kumbe okwama like ama project. Nxa singathola nje abantu abasincedisayo ngama project njengama youth singakwanisa ukuthi senze something kumbe ukuthunga into eziletha imali.
Kuyini ama challenges eliwafaceayo njengama youth? Singani andisithiya kula ma sponsor kula ma donor but phakathi njengomphakathi kuyini ama challenges eliwafaceayo in terms of ukuthi ligcine lithola imisebenzi ukuthi what's going on kuyini okulivimbelayo?
Kuti tisawane basa inokuti munhu ungosina zvakakwana zvese zvokuti wane basa tosakata kamira.
Alright, uthini Tony? Ungabe kuyi challenge emisayo abantu kumbe vele abantu bamiswa ukuthi akula mali. But omunye sengathi angikwazi phela abantu siyahlukana nani. Awungeke izicathulo ezihambe omunye umuntu ngeke wena la uzingeni kwanani. So sengathi mina ngiphuma phandle ngibuye ngizenzo okwazi ngconani. so ikhombuza ukuthi sicabanga ukuthi kuyini okuvimbela abantu abatsha especially ukuthi bathole imisebenzi la, because most people anti sebehamba besiya kuBulawayo besiya ngaphi ukuze bathole imisebenzi. Thina kuyini esingakwenza njengama youth? Esibona awuza kube le idea ukuthi mina sengingaqalisa lokho sengingayenza lokho.
Ama challenges angabe ekhona into yabona ukuthi abanye like imisebenzi maybe abanye babe beyithola maybe kubo online and stuff. So lapha inkinga vele kahle network into yokuqala. So yenza sibe lama challenges okuthola into eziningi ukuthi sometimes uyangena kuma social media and stuff and uyathola maybe something like maybe ama advice. So lapha vele I problem vele kahle network. Ukuthi at least ima kungaba tholakala singaba le network siyakwanisa ukuthi lathi sithole ama advice ngento eziningi nje.
Alright. Speaking of advice, sisavala I-program yethu le. Yipi advice eningapha abantwana basesikolo currently career ukuthi bayenze ni empilo zabo? Tothangira papi. Yakukhombela kukhona.
I-advice esingayinikeza abantwana basesikolo ukuthi babe ngabantwana labana bokuthi sengathi babe ngabantwana labana bokuthi bengayisabi ukucela uncedo njalo futhi bebe le self confidence. Utitsha kakhulu nxa kuyikuthi umntwana lwana ukuthi nxa elwe like ngathi sengakhuluma maybe ngecareer yakhe kanti usengasika iadvice especially kuma teachers base bengamncedisa ukuthi alright nxa ufuna ukuthi usungayenza lokhu lalokhu kumbe base bemncedisa anti kuma subject analawo okumele ukuthi abe best kiwo nxa efuna ukuba ilokhu afuna ukuba khona. Ikanti njalo singa lokhu ama teacher kuphela laloba nguphi umuntu ambona lokhu yena afisa ukuba yikho khona.
Okay, good advice. Good.
Nchimodati iye kana ari serious nechinhu charingada kudii aida kuita chirakataura neticha wake vanokwanisa mudii kumubatsirawo kuti akwanise kubudirira achienda mberi. Chiro nekumba wakaona munhu anokwanisa kuramba achingomubatsira achimusimudzirawo kuti aindire mberi ende ave munhu anenge ane chido nechinhu chaanenge achida kudii chaanenge achida kuita.
Alright. Kule nto emfungulibuza yena kade ngicabanga nje khathesi ukuthi say umuntu lephupho le dream to achieve something and ebese swela engcenye imali and yokuthi because anti isikolo siyabhadalelwa and unfortunately it's not free and umuntu angabe le talent ele passion elakho konke but ebese swela imali ebese gcina enjani esima agcine ehlala lapha and bakhona yini abantu esinjalo esibaziyo la abahlaliswa imali and from beqeda isikolo la khathesi nje ngiyazibuza ukuthi kulokho kuyikho khona lokho behlezi yini kumbe sebagcina besenza ezinye izinto.
Mina engibaziyo bahleli but hayi sebesenza ezinye izinto like omunye useshop uthengisa eshop but umntwana akabeka right isibili useshop uthengisa eshop then omunye wacelwa esikolo ukuthi abezifundisela nje ngabantwana badala isikolo.
Alright. Because yazi bengicabanga nje khona lapho ukuthi sometimes okunye it's not just you and the situation eku-surround egcina injani itshintsha impilo yakho. So mina ekade angiyakwazi ngibuzwanga ukuthi ngathini advice for other side. ongeke ukuthi siyagcina senjani sizisola sesicabanga ukuthi sesiyehlulekile empilweni and but okunye bekungelanto ade ungayenzani. So I wish ukuthi landli ngabatshela bona laba abangonanana nje abasabancane ukuthi kanjani bangaluzi ithemba. Libe ngo big sister lina bangikhona phela encouraging abanye bethu. So anything elingafuna uyichaya last words singakavali. Yawathi ukuthi andijahile. Sengiqedile lokho. So right.
Thina esingakhuluma ngakho kade sesingavala ngakho ukuthi encourage abantu abasakhulayo abantwana abasakhulayo ukuthi phandle kuzima, impilo inzima sibili kakhulu. Nxa usathola sibili ithuba uba serious ngezifundo zakho ukuze ube le better future.
Kuti any last words?
Kuyafanana.
All right, ladies, ngiyabonga kakhulu ngokuhlala phansi ixoxelani and hopefully khona obukele othole i-advice yakho Tori ukuthi be serious with your life also, but you also singasoli ngezinto ezinjani ezikade zingazisebenzanga okunyayisithi yani. And for everyone at home who watched this episode, we want to express the importance of teaching our children at school about their careers. And actually earlier on, you find out what your child is, whether you're a teacher or a parent, you find out what it is that your child is interested in and try to hone that talent and that passion. So until next week, please make sure that you follow us on all our social media pages. We're on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, make sure you leave a like, you leave a comment, tell us what it is that you want us to discuss in future and we will talk about it. So until next week, bye.